Someone literally told me this looks like a Chanel set, but it's only $20. I was also pleasantly surprised because of the quality of these clothing. It's not even $2. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Crystal. Today I have a huge fashion and jewelry haul from a brand called Temu. If you haven't heard of Temu yet, Temu is like an online marketplace just like Amazon that has everything at a really cheap price. So they have like fashion items, jewelry items, home decor, pet supplies, and just everything. If you go on their website, they have savings for up to 90% off, and they also have free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. You have the whole 3 months to try different products, and like if you don't like any of them, you can just send it back for free. It's also very easy to shop on Temu because they accept all types of payments such as credit cards, debit cards, online payments, and lots of other forms of payments. I also prepared a code for you guys to use to get an extra 30% off of all items that I'll be showing you guys today. I've prepared so many pretty jewelry and fashion items, so let's jump right into it. The first item that I want to show you guys is this tweed jacket and skirt set. Right now I'm wearing pants, but I'll show you in a minute what it looks like when I wear them together. So this jacket is so gorgeous. It's a cropped length. It's like a beige color, but if you look closely, there's also some yellow threads here and there, as well as some white threads, and they also have some glitters on it. It's like a really subtle glitter. When I shop for clothing, I always pay attention to the buttons, because if the buttons look cheap, the whole clothing just looks cheap. But this one actually looks pretty expensive, and I've been wearing this for a while now, but there's no scratches or anything at all. These are fake pockets. They're just there for the design. I was literally walking down the street and someone told me I looked like Olivia Rodrigo from when she went to the White House. He thought this looked like a tweed set from Chanel, and come on, this piece is only $28 together, but with my code it's additional 30% off, so now you can get these for $20 and look like you put on a Chanel set. The next item I want to show you is these wristbands. These are super helpful for when you wash your face day and night. Let me show you. This is so soft. You basically use it not to soak your sleeves when you wash your face. I always end up soaking my sleeves, and I always end up splashing the water everywhere, so this item was so helpful. I've been using this every day, even this morning for washing the face, and it's keeping my sleeves pretty dry. Next, I want to show you these earrings that I've been loving. These are synthetic gems. The lining is 18K gold. So look at this. It's a pretty ivory color on the top and the green on the bottom, and someone even asked me if these are real. Let me show you guys what they look like when I put it on. It's such a nice point to my looks, especially when I wear something green, which I will show you soon because I got some green blouse for this haul. These earrings are so pretty. They look so expensive too. Pretty lightweight considering how big they look. Okay, now let's change things up a bit. I have these workout sets. I've been meaning to work out. Oh, I really wanted to work out, but I don't have the clothing for working out, so I thought, okay, I should get one if I really want to work out. This also comes in a set, so there's this jacket. It's really sort of tight fitting, and I was a little surprised because I ordered small, not X small, but it actually fit very snug. And they also come with this skirt and leggings set, and I really like this because I personally don't like wearing leggings out when I'm wearing like normal length or like cropped length top. I don't want to show on my butt, so I prefer to have some sort of a coverage, and they're attached, so you don't need to worry about losing them or wearing them separately. Again, about the sizing, they come in pretty small, so I recommend that you size up for this product. You can zip this up or down, but I prefer to open it like this. I was also pleasantly surprised because of the quality of these clothing. I honestly didn't expect too much when I got a collaboration request, because I thought, okay, like it's so cheap, is it even gonna last? Because I don't want to compile clothes and end up throwing them. It's not sustainable for sure. But then I realized they're actually very smooth and I love the quality. So I recommend that you really give it a try. You won't be disappointed. Next is this pajama set. I also wore it in my last video. I always was in need of a pajama. They're so comfy. It has like these cherry patterns and I even got a compliment from one of my subscribers already. I love products that come in a set because then I don't have to buy them separately. I can just buy one thing and get two things. This one also comes in different sizes. I got extra small, but even for extra small, this is pretty big. So I think for this product, you can definitely size down. I personally don't like investing too much on pajamas because they're pajamas, but these ones are actually cheap and cute and good quality, so there was no reason for me not to get it. Next, I have here a really cute puff-sleeved cropped blouse that has these flower patterns. It's so cute. This is so adorable. I've received compliments from wearing this, and I like to pair this with my jeans and kind of go for like a casual look. This is also a cropped length, so it's perfect for summer. It feels pretty snug on me. I think this is sold out on the website, but they might come back, so don't worry too much. It has this like square neck. It makes your neckline look very pretty as well as your shoulders because of the puff sleeves. I have another puff sleeve blouse here. It's in light green and this is exactly the color of my earrings. So I like wearing them together, and I was a bit worried about this color because sometimes you just can't trust a photo on the website, right? So I was a little skeptical, but it's exactly the color that I expected. It looks the same as on the website. It's $20, but now it's only about $8. That's a huge discount, so now is the time to get it. Also, the fabric is very soft. I like the fabric, and I actually saw this from the review too, so I knew, okay, this is gonna be a good quality. So one tip for shopping at Temu, since their sizing and everything's so different, is to look for reviews, especially the ones with the photos. People do talk about their own sizing experiences and their measurements, so that really helped me personally for shopping. Next is this bucket hat. This is so cute. I feel like I'm saying cute for all my items, but I'm saying it because they are cute. You can fold it like this and just put it inside your bag. It's very easy to carry around, so this is perfect for vacation. I'm already getting ready for summer. The lace detail here is so cute. It's a good fashion item also, and I like how this is so long and it covers my entire face. This part is not really sturdy, as you can see. There's pros and cons to that. I actually prefer this hat to be more fluffy like this so that I can put it in my bag. Another thing I wanted to show you guys is this basket bag. So they're sort of matching, right? So I've actually been wearing them out together, sort of like a set. This one's also currently out of stock, but they might come back. So again, a little sad, but don't worry. They have a lot of similar ones, and this might also come back in stock. If you open it, it's actually pretty spacious. I carried around sunscreen, my makeup, my hat, my phone. It's just the right size. It also has this crossbody string, so you can wear it like this or just carry it by the top handle. I have another really useful item for those of you who don't want to get too tanned. Sun protection sleeves. I think people use this a lot for driving, but I don't have a car and I don't know how to drive. But I got it just because during summer when you're wearing like sleeveless dress out on the beach for too long and like your skin's about to burn, I think this is like a good protection item. It has a nice lace detail. It's also very smooth and silky. They also have the bow detail here with the pearl in the middle. It's so cute. And you can also stick your fingers out or hide it like this. After my discount, it's only $1.88. It's not even $2. It's half the price of coffee. I also picked out a flared sleeve cardigan. This one is a petite size, but I personally don't know why they call it petite because it doesn't feel that small, to be honest. It's just a cropped length. Maybe it's the length. It's not even that short. You make a bow tie. It has the flared sleeves, so it kind of covers your hands very nicely, and it actually has some room, as you can see. So I feel like even if you're not petite, you can still get it. I'm gonna wear this a lot, especially during summer on top of my dresses. Next, I ordered a light purple sweater. It's a crew neck design. It does come up a little bit. This is pretty thin, but it's very, very smooth. I got this in a small, but again, this fits more like extra small. Plain sweaters like this are so easy to like pair with other bottoms. This sweater also comes in so many different colors, but I picked out a light purple color because I don't have this color, and also because, I don't know, it just reminds me of spring. Guys, I got these really cute earmuffs. I know it's not cold enough to wear this, but we trendy girls always prepare ahead. So this is for next fall/winter. I don't know how to style my hair nicely. I can't really hear my voice too well. I've always wanted this type of like fashion earmuffs. I mean, they're also very warm and it's also adjustable. You can like pull it out a little bit. These are also only about $1, of course with my discount code. I'm really looking forward to wearing this during winter. I have another purple sweater to show you guys. I actually wanted this in an apricot color, but they were out of stock, so they ended up sending me this purple color. I like the buttons. Pay attention to the details here. They're very shiny. It's slightly cropped with a v-neck, a little bit of a wavy detail here with nice and long sleeves. This is very casual and pretty lightweight. I got this in a small, but it feels more like extra small. And I paired this cardigan with a skirt from Temu, elastic flared skirt. It's very, very comfy and stretchy. It's like a mochi. I got this in the color apricot, but they also have it in different colors. One thing I was really impressed while shopping on Temu was their quality. They're cheap, but they're pretty high quality, so I really recommend that you guys give it a try. And don't forget to check out their app as well. That's all to my haul for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.